Hello guys, welcome back to Myro Animations. I know that you've been wondering how to create working characters on Plotagon or on any animation, right? You're in the right place. Okay, a few months ago I was in your shoes. I was also wondering. I sought everywhere I could. I looked everywhere until I was able to find out this very simple trick. After this short video, you would even laugh at yourself for not knowing this sooner. So just join me on this very short video as I show you the trick on how to make characters work on Plotagon. Let's do this, guys. Open up your Plotagon Story app and click on create. When it comes up, you click on scene. As usual, a scene is going to come up with the create video. You click on scene. You go down to the last where you find the urban scenes. Then you scroll to your right. Scroll down to your right. You're going to find the first one, street walk shots. Is walking towards the right, to the left. You see this one closer to the camera. Then you find another street walk to the left, or to the right rather. Then you scroll down and you find the second one that is closer to the camera. So you're going to decide on what to do with this, or which one of them to go for, either the one that is close to the camera or far away from the camera. So for this video, we're going to use the one far away from the camera. Okay, at this point I have chosen one of them, which is far from the camera. Then I am going to click on character. So I am going to choose a character. At this point I do not want to create a character, so I'll just go down right there. Yeah, my guy Tanya. I'll choose Tanya, and I'm going to give Tanya a few commands and let's see how it turns out. So I'm going to ask Tanya to introduce himself, like tell him what to say while walking, give him a few commands. So let's quickly do that. So it begins to get interesting at this point, but this is not all. So let's see how to do it the reverse way. Okay, so we go back, choose a scene again like we did the first time. We'll choose another scene which is walking towards the other direction. So we pick it up here. You search down. Remember I said you should go to urban. You pick it, then you give Tanya, I'm going to use Tanya again. So you give Tanya other commands, and let's see the outcome after this.
Hello friends, this is a tutorial on how to create a walking character on Plotagon. I hope you learned something new today. Please subscribe for more tutorials. It's your friend Tanya walking in the opposite direction. See you soon.
I know you definitely learned something new today. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Bye.